Hey guys, so yesterday I did a video where I showed you swatches of the Festival palette by Juvias, and now today I'm going to be creating a look using this palette. I have no clue what I'm going to do, but look at all of these shades. Oh, I'm just like, oh, I just love them. I'm gonna try and use as many as I can as possible. So yeah, let's just get into it. So I've already primed my eyelids. So I think what I'm going to do first is take Oro and put that literally all over the lid. The thing is, I already have my foundation on. With this color, make sure you kind of dig in kind of deep, get enough on your brush. Then I'm gonna go in with Ofala. Oh my god, this shade is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Like that just on its own is just like a beautiful sunset kind of thing. Then I'm going to go in with Zaffa. I'm going to use a pencil brush so I can be very accurate in where I'm putting this shade. Like, look at how rich that is. Oh, it's just so pretty. Then I'm gonna go in with Abba here, this teal here. Oh my gosh, and this is with no Fix Plus, no setting spray. Then I'm going to use this gold here, Adoru. Or Odogru, I'm not too sure how you say it. And I'm going to put that on in the inner corner. That shade is really pretty. So now going back in with Ofala here, I'm going to use that shade to blend out the outer V. Now I'm just going to clean up those edges. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is go and finish the rest of my makeup, my concealer, blah blah blah, and then I'm gonna show you the finished look. Okay, so this is the final look. I absolutely adore this look. Okay, so I've gone and I've contoured and I've highlighted and blah 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 blah, done all that good stuff, and I used this pink Irigi on my lower lash line, and I have also done my mascara and my eyeliner. Oh, and I also concealed under my brows, and then I went in again just a little bit with that yellow color just so that I can accentuate that yellow, because it kind of disappeared once I put the concealer underneath my eyebrows. So just to bring that yellow back, I just put just a little flush on it. I absolutely love this makeup. Like, this is festival makeup. Like, oh my gosh, I absolutely love the way that this turned out. Like, I can't stop looking at it. I'm not even looking at you guys, I'm looking at me. Okay, I'm not looking at you, I'm looking at me, and especially from this angle. Ooh, girl, I absolutely love it. Okay, so my final thoughts on this palette. I love it. I feel like the mattes, I didn't expect them to perform as well as they did, because I feel like with their mattes, sometimes they can swatch really good, but when they go onto the eye, it can be a little bit of a hit or miss. You may have to build them up. And even though, yes, I did build them up a little bit, I didn't have to do so much work as I have with previous palettes. Like, I feel like their formula is getting better and better and better, and it wasn't even bad in the first place. So there's that. Also, this teal, oh gosh, it is so beautiful. It's just banging. I love it. Look, this camera's not even doing the justice. I promise I will be getting my lighting sorted within the next couple of months. I just have to save up that coin, and let's not forget that, you know, YouTube demonetizing all of the small channels like myself, so I don't even have any money to put toward it aside from the money that I work for, like on a daily. So just bear with me, but this is just so pretty. Look, I think this is like $21.50. There's so many codes floating around in the YouTube world, in the Instagram world. I used Fumi's code. Her one is just Fumi, F-U-M-I. I don't think it's like Fumi 10 or anything like that. I think it's just F-U-M-I. Anyway, she's a small YouTuber. I think she has about, like, she's in the tens of thousands, don't get me wrong, but she's not like one of the major beauty gurus, and I prefer for her to like get broken off some coin rather than me giving my coin to somebody who has like money in abundance as is. So I use hers and I love her channel. I'm gonna leave her channel link down below actually. Do I recommend this palette? I absolutely recommend this palette. It's so gorgeous, it's so beautiful, it's so nice. And I know that there's a few more looks that I could come up with, and I think I'm probably gonna do like another video with another look. Like, this was just on the fly and I just absolutely love the way that it turned out. But anyway, without me going round and round in circles, love this palette. I definitely recommend it. It's only $21.50 and I think you can get 10% off with a code. Get it. Anyway, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.